It is time to talk about Jasmy. In the last video, I gave you a short setup and then a long setup, two profits, 1.9%, and then we longed into this area for 1.2%. And the previous video gave you a 3% move. So what is going to happen now? Here are some price predictions that I have. First of all, we are bearish. I think that's obvious because we're below everything on the daily chart. And because of that, I'm very interested to see a move towards this level right here. This is a level on the daily chart that is very important, the 14963 area. I'll mark it with yellow because needs to correspond with the EMA on the daily chart, with the 10 EMA. I think we need to go to that level, and the thesis behind it is we also need to clear out these highs right here where a lot of stop losses are. So my strategy would be to go here, and from there we'll be taking short. So this is exactly what I'm planning to do. Short after we pump to the 14.5 to 14.7 area. If you're wondering a little bit more about my strategy, a little bit more how I made 260k on meme coins, 28k on another wallet, I have links to my course and my signals chat in the description down below. Also, $30 bonus from BloFin. Check it out. I'm switching from Mexi to BloFin. They're giving away discounts. They're giving away a bunch of stuff. Definitely worth checking out. I promised I won't waste a second of your time, so just hit this video with a like. See you tomorrow with another Jasmy